What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 81 cents, up 1.2 on the day. Sitting market cap of 7.02 billion. 24-hour volume, 203 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, up to $30,000 in bonuses over here on Bybit. And you can email me your sign-up email once you've signed up to either exchange. And I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. So it looks like we're starting to push up. We've broken out of our inverse head and shoulders. We're back above the EMAs on the hourly time frame. And a push-up does look likely, in my opinion, up into this yellow box, so the minimum target of the 0.382, but I do think there's a good likelihood of pushing up into the box. If we were to roll over and lose these lows, and the five-way move isn't complete, but I think the more likely scenario is a short-term push to the upside. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we're sitting on support here. As you can see, let me drop out a yellow box really quickly. As you can see, we've had a lot of support and resistance right in this area. Resistance, resistance, support, support, support again. And once again, we found support with a bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame as money is flowing into Matic. So I do think there's a good chance to see a push here to the upside. We'll see how it plays out. As you can see, we do have this head and shoulders. Depending on where you drop your neckline, like you could technically drop the neckline right here. So just be careful with patterns, but we are very close to the neckline, so something to keep a close eye on. If we do bounce, we could definitely just create a lower high and then come down and start to break down with a target of 50 cents. Either way, I do think we'll reach that target eventually. Looking at Ethereum, we're still testing this descending channel. We may see a little bit more push to the upside if we look at the Elliott wave count. I do think we're seeing a 5-wave impulse into a wave C, so we've come up in a wave 1, potential wave 2 pullback. You'd push up in a 3, 4, 5. To complete the wave C, to potentially see a rejection in a wave 2 pullback in between 1246 and 1307, and then see continuation to the downside in a wave 3. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at so far until we, break in validation points. Then this is the analysis, or this is the wave count that I'm currently focused on. All right, gang, so we'll see if we push up. We're going into Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to each and all of you. Happy holidays. Ho, 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 and happy birthday to the big man upstairs. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I'm having a nice dinner with some fellow travelers here in Bali, so I'm looking forward to it. And Merry Christmas. Hope it brings you lots of joy, and Happy New Year. All right. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. As they like to flash their profits, you can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays. That's coming in at 10 USD per month. The price of a Netflix subscription. All right, gang. Much love. Take care.